what will be the national strategy of actions for implementation of RED Plus program in our country. And for this we required the National Forest Reference Label. Ultimately based on that only we are going to claim our incentives for forest carbon stock. And then how we are going to monitor this forest carbon stocks, and that will be under the National Transparent Forest Monitoring and Reporting System. And more to that, we are very concerned with generating the information with respect to the safeguards for local communities and other issues related to RED Plus. Our basic ideas for this from safeguard promotion and support is that it should be transparent and backed by the effective governance, and rights of indigenous people and local communities should be protected with their participation. And simultaneously we will try and we are trying to conserve of our natural forest and biological diversity with the view and the whole efforts that no conversion of natural forests. And we are also trying to reduce displacement of emissions from forestry sectors. How we will proceed for that? That will certainly in demand of huge money for implementation of this program. Based on our own studies, we thought that National Afforestation Program, which is basically dealing with the forestry issues till now, if this will be continue, we could able to increase our forest carbon stock on annual basis nearly 136 million ton equivalent to carbon dioxide, and this needs nearly rupees 5,000 crore. It is approximately 1.1 billion per year. And if we are going to implement the Green India missions by 2020, we could able to generate next 50 million ton of CO2 equivalent carbon by 2020 on annual basis. But it again requires some funds, and to the tune of rupees 4,600. And if we are going to take some another measures, if we include the village forest with some substitution of woods for some materials, shifting materials, and then fuel efficient wood stoves if provided to our villagers, then what would be the scenarios? It will again help to generate our carbons up to the 64 million tons. But it again requires nearly 10,000 crore rupees, and in total it will be 4.46 billion on annual basis. But more to that, we are not only concerned with the forest carbon, and it is simply the co-benefit of all the baskets of ecosystem goods and services being provided by the forest. In no way we are going to say, or we are going to do that the other derivatives, other consumption products from the forest, or any other ecosystem goods and services is being returned to the anyone. And the main issues which we are really concerned and putting our efforts to estimation of reference label. That means we are just trying to know the year based on which we should opt for incentivize our forest carbon stocks, particularly that which we are having at present in our forest, as well as the incremental values.